Hey Chris, my name's Sean here at Tameron Honda. Thank you so much for inquiring on the 2020 Honda Pilot. I have the Elite model right here behind me, the exact model that you inquired on, the silver with gray interior. I want to show you a couple of features. In the front, we're going to start out with the LED headlights all the way through. You also have the LED running lights along with the fog lights. Sensing in the front, it actually adapts to the car in front. So if that car in front of you starts to slow down, so does yours. Lane keeping assist, if you get your too far outside the lane, it'll help center you back up. You also have the aluminum alloy wheels on this model with the mud guards behind each tire. Take a look on the inside. I want to show you a couple things. You can have both power driver and passenger seat, Apple CarPlay, navigation, push button transmission, heated and cooled seats, dual climate air control, and they actually gave you the volume knob back in the 2020 model. So I think you'll be pleased with that. It's a very quiet cabin. Couple of things. One, you're going to have the soundproof 3 front windows. The driver, passenger, and the windshield are all going to be soundproof, so it's super quiet. You have the power liftgate in the back. Backup sensors, so as you're backing up towards the curb, it'll give you the beep beep to let you know that you're close. The seats fold down pretty easily. You can also fold the middle row down. It's got a climate control in the back with USB ports, DVD. There's so many features I want to go over with you, Chris. Give me a call. My number's 205-965-5788. I do believe this is the last Elite model that we have in stock, so I want to get you a great deal on it. We still have Black Friday savings available today, so give me a call. We'll set up a time. We'll take a test drive in it. My number is 205-965-5788. I can promise you one thing: when you get here, you're going to love the way you're treated.